Hello, my name is Shita Nandavaram. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I am staying in Bangalore. I have completed my graduation in BTech Electronic Communication Engineering from Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences in the year 2023. When I am searching about a job, I got to know about Evision Technoserve by a friend, where I got a real-time work experience like networking, CCNA, and Windows administration and troubleshooting, and virtualization and cyber securities. These all modules are taught by good trainers in the Evision. Uh, in networking, we have learned about networking devices and types of networking devices, and how many types of networking layers, TCP/IP module, and UDP. And we also learned about topologies. And coming to Windows administration, we learned about DHCP server and FTP server, and what is a domain and what is a workgroup, difference between domain and workgroup, and how to create a PST files and how to backup the PST files. This all learned in the Windows administration. And coming to CCNA, we have learned about static routing and dynamic routing, and what is in the routing device, what are the components are there, and how to connect the routing configuration in manually, and how to connect the Ethernet cables, and what is the color coding of Ethernet cables, what is a straight through cable and what is the cross through cable. We learned about differences, and uh, we learned troubleshooting like in Windows hanging, and black screen error issues, and BS4 error issues, and when the system should couldn't power on. um, Thank you for Evision for giving this opportunity. And they conduct so many interviews. From that, I got a lot of confidence from that. um, Now I cracked that interview in the first session. Thank you for the Evision. Thank you so much.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision. Join job.